Hello, week 3 comes around and our maths this week, our focus is on place value. Place value. What does that mean to you? Teachers always use it all the time. Place value. Well, it's really just talking about the value, what something's worth, and we're talking about the value of a digit. Digit? What's a digit? A digit is just a representation, or it's a symbol of a numeral. What? What's a numeral? It's a fancy language for number. Okay, we all know what numbers are, so sometimes the vocabulary can trip us up. So this week we're going to be learning a bit about vocabulary. Some of the words that teachers use, we actually know what they are, but they just use a different word. So at the moment, I have some 1 centimetre cubes in my hands. I want you to first estimate, then have a go at how many I've got here. Spread them around a little bit. What do you reckon? Yeah, let's have a quick count. I like counting in twos. It's an even number. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and one lonely one, 17. So I have 17 in total here. When we're talking about digits, how many digits are there? Pause the video, write down how many digits you think there are, and come back in 20 seconds. You're back. That was fast. How many do you have? 10. 10 digits. Where'd you get that from? What are your digits? Okay, the digits that we use, there's 10 of them. Okay, and I'm thinking some won't get them all. Some will get most of them. Some will get it right. Okay. Did it match that? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 in total, including the 0, makes 10. So 0 is the 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because when we write the number 10, that one there, we're using a 1 and a 0. So how many digits are in 10? There's 2 digits. Okay, if I add, I'm trying to do a 7, it could be backwards this way, that way. Did I get that right? Yeah, I've got it right, yes. 107. How many digits are in 107? If you said 3, correct. How many digits are in 1 million, do you think? 1 million. Okay. In 1 million, it looks like this. I have 1. And a whole lot of zeros. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. So 1 million, how many digits are in 1 million? Okay. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 6 zeros in a million, but there's 7 digits in 1 million. Alright, I'm going to pause that there for a second. Next thing is, if I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 of these, I can trade them in for one of these, which is 10. 10 plus 7, it's a bit hard to see because that's there, is 17. Okay, so you have 17, I can change that for them back, and then I have 17 ones. 17 ones is equal to 1 10 and 7 ones. This one here, we've all been used these at some stage. If that's a 10, how many across the top there would it be? Does it fit? Yeah, that's 10, and 10 along there. Last week we were looking at area. So to work out this, we'll use the formula of length times width, which would be 100. So 100 squares here. How many, what's my total that I've got here? Okay. 100, 110, 3 ones. 113. Is that correct? Yeah, of course it is. Now I could change that 100 and convert it into, I need how many of these? 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, the value is still 100, but I've exchanged it for 10 tens. Now I've actually got 11 tens. I've got 11 tens and 3 ones. What is my total now? Has it changed? Shouldn't have changed. So I've got 10 tens is 100, 11 tens is 110, 111, 112, 113. So we're going to move over this way now. I'm going to bring you up here. I'm going to try a couple of things. Alright. We can see that screen hopefully alright. Okay, I'm going to put something up on the board. Okay, that is the hundreds. I'm going to put, hopefully you can see that, it's not very clear. Let's have a look. How many have I put up there? You see that? A bit hard to see, but there were, how many tens? Okay, I've got 2 there. I'm going to bring them down a bit so you can actually see them. Oh, they even click on each other. Very nice. And how many ones we're throwing? How would I write that? Okay. 100, 200, 300. How many of these? 2 tens. How many ones? Let's have a look here. I was thinking it's 300, 2 tens, which is 20, and 5 ones. I think you might be right. Yeah, looks good. So place value is all about these bits and pieces. Joining them all up, making these numbers. Sometimes we exchange them. When it comes to subtraction, we can get a little bit tripped up because sometimes we might see a number like 242 minus 125. Okay, when it comes to these situations, I'll make that bigger. I forget the number, 125. Okay, when we get these sort of situations, and is that clear? It looks pretty clear. I've got 2 ones, and 2 ones are these ones here, my 2 ones. Okay, so if I just get 2 of these, and then we want to take away 5, I can't do it. I can't do that at all. So what happens, I have to come over to the 10, over the tens. Okay, so that's where we're talking about place value. So when this is the ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, Mr. Blair, not very good writing there, but it'll do. So if I wanted to minus 5 from 2, I can't do it. I actually have to come to the tens. I have to knock on the Mr. Tens number. Excuse me, Mr. Number 10, can I borrow one of you? Oh yeah, Mr. Blair, you're a good lad. If that's the case, then I borrow 1 10. So basically 40 minus 10 would leave 30, which is 3 tens. So I'd leave that as, that stays a 3 now. And I bring over a 10. Some people write it like this, they bring the 10 right next to it. So it's that. Or they might just actually bring this 1 or the 10 over here and the 2 comes up. Okay? So that really does it mean I'm exchanging one of these. Okay, I've exchanged that, and now I'm actually going to have some more ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's the same 1 10 and 2 1s. So now it's a bit of a mess here, Mr. Blair. Hey, what are you doing? Don't know. Okay, so that's the 3. So now, I'm not taking any notice of that, 12, which is, I've borrowed a 10, pulled it over here. 12 1s, take away 5, would leave 7. 3, which is 30, and the 10's minus 2, which is really 20, is 10. 2 take away 1, 100. 117. Okay, so often we exchange, and we're not sure how it works or why it works. You need to understand why it works. We'll go into that a bit later on as well. There you go, next one for you that we're doing. Where is it? This one over there. We'll pause it there actually. Just pause it, go to rest. Come back with a blank piece of paper. Could be A4 size, it doesn't matter what it is. And a pencil and a ruler. Okay, a pencil and a ruler. Could be markers, or whatever it is. We're going to play a game. See you in a moment. Oh, you're back. Awesome. We'll carry on then. Okay, what you're going to do is you are going, I've got the right marker, maybe a red one to see, is you are going to rule something that looks like this. Now I'm making mine 6 across 1. I'm measuring these in 10 lots of centimetres. So that's just how I'm doing it. Okay, so it looks like this at this stage. Can you see this? Hopefully you can. Maybe come back. There we go. Okay, my next step, I'm actually wanting, I might just roll that one across there. You can draw this freehand if you like, but it's much easier like this. So I've got like a column up there at the moment. Okay, and I actually want to make one there. So I've got one cube at the top. Next one, go across, and then down. And another one, up. It's like steps you're doing. Okay, so you're doing steps, but I haven't done one here yet. Rolling across here, one up here. Okay, it doesn't matter how you do it, but this is the sort of shape that we're looking for. I'll just quickly do this now. Down. So you should be able to see, very much like stairs. Going freehand now. And one last one. Close enough. Go straight across. Yeah, pretty good. Not bad. So what you'll see is that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares, or attempt at making squares going down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 going across. That's it. So basically you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stairs on the bottom. You need 5 steps on the top. 4, 3, 2, 1. Going to pause it there. Tomorrow we'll carry this on. We've got a game that we're going to use a 10-sided dice. And how many numbers do you think will fit in that bottom one here? How many digits? 6 going there. This is going to be our answer one down here. Okay, pause it there. In fact, make 2 of these tomorrow. We'll play this game quite a bit this week because it's a fun game. It's good to learn about place value. So we'll see you tomorrow.